Okay, class. Are you there? Say yes. Or write in your chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Abdul Razak. Please mute your phone. Okay, can I start?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Start, yes, sir.
Okay, students. Myself, Rajesh, working as assistant professor in the TBS IT Kavali. So, my subject is probability theory and stochastic process. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Probability theory and stochastic process. So, what is the? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of probability? What is probability? Have you ever gone through probability in your previous classes or wherever it may be? Can anyone give me what is the meaning of probability?
Sambhav.
Any probability? Hemant Kumar, can you define what is probability? Say yes or no. That's not a big issue. If you know the answer, say yes. If you don't know the answer, say no. That's it. Anil, define probability.
Probability means chances of coming.
Chances of coming. Okay, very good answer. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Chances of being happened or not, sir.
Very, very good. Very good. Anyone else? Who's that? Okay, anyone else? Can anyone give me one example of probability in your daily life? What you people are doing right now? Hello. Can anyone give me one example of probability?
Play cards.
Very good. Very good. Super. Of course. Another one. Come again.
Dice. Dice,
Who is
sir.
this? Okay, who is this?
Sureka,
What's your
sir.
name? What's your name?
Sureka, sir.
Okay, okay. Dice. Very good. Another example. Of anyone else?
Rupee coin.
Come again.
Rupee coin.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very, very good. Super. Any another example?
Pack of cards.
Balls.
Pack of cards. Good, good. Very good.
Coin, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the meaning of outcome?
Different color of ball.
Okay, okay. Very, very good. Very nice answer. Shashi Madan, very good. Okay, very good. Next one. What is the meaning of outcome? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of outcome? Please mute your. Okay. Can you see them? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the outcomes, course objectives. That means what we are going to learn by knowing about this probability theory and stochastic process. This is called a course out. What are the things we are going to learn at the end of this course? So first one is to gain the knowledge of the basic probability concepts and acquire skills in handling situations. What type of situations? Can you give me one example? What is going through us right now? Are we safe? Are we in our daily regular activities as we were in the previous year? Is it audible for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your name, Nana? What is your name? Hamaravati, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is it a regular process what you have in your previous year and today? Is it the same thing? The situation what you are facing right now is the same as in the previous year or it's changed?
No, sir. It's changed.
It's changed. That means you have to handle the situations, right?
Yes, sir.
So the main outcome of this course is to gain the knowledge of the basic probability if it happens or not. Previously you people are thinking that our final exam is going to happen or not, right?
Yes, sir.
All of you, right? Most of you don't want your exams also, and you want to promote to the next class without any exam, right? Am I right? What Arif?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Right,
Am I
sir.
right or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Right, sir.
So whenever they have announced that exams are going to be conducted later, or if they are going to be conducted within the next month, what is your situation right at that moment? I'm asking all of you people here. You can see 49 people. I'm asking all of you people. Nitish, what's your opinion? Do you want exam or not?
We are trying our best,
Nitish,
sir.
do you want exams or not? Tell me one thing, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nitish, are you there? Nitish, I'm asking about Nitish.
Yeah, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. Do you want exams or not?
Sir, present situation, I don't want any exam, sir.
Why?
Because of here is very critical cases here, sir.
Okay,
We have
after this, after
COVID-19.
this. Okay,
After
okay,
this,
everybody knows what
we
is.
have, sir.
So
We
what will be
want,
your
sir. We
mind
want.
status at the time? What will be your mind
What,
status
sir?
at the time? What will be your mind status at the time?
It's very critical, sir.
That means can you handle the situations?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's
But
what
here
we're
is
in.
Yes,
in
sir.
this
What?
subject, in this subject, we are going to check. That means whenever we people are EC people, right?
Yes.
Are you belongs to
Yes,
EC
sir.
or not? Most of you, all of you.
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I think you are awakened, right? Otherwise, most of you are sleeping, right? So we need to know whether the company is going to accept our design or not. If they have accepted it, then it's okay. If they have not accepted it, we need to change some designing circuits. So we have to be in a situation that we need to have a plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, so that in order to face the critical situations, what we are going to have, that can be that can be done by us by having number of outcomes or number of plans. So see here, to gain the knowledge of the basic probability concepts and skills acquired in handling situation involving more than one random variables and functions of random variables. What is the meaning of random? What is the meaning of random? I
Random
think
means different types.
very good, very good. Here I have presently I have 49 people right now, right? In this class we have around 49 people, including me it's 50 people, right? Say yes or no,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Among these 49 people, I am going to ask some of them, that is Nitish or Arun, Anil or someone, right? Am I choosing you in a straight manner or in a random position, random manner? Hello?
Come on, sir.
A random manner.
Random
Random,
manner.
random.
So we need to check the variables. We need to check, okay? And the second objective is to understand the principle of random signals and random process. Why these random signals? What is a signal? Anyone?
Sir,
Tell me.
signal means it gives some information to us, sir.
Okay, very good. What are random signals? Abdur, what is random signal? Abdur, Abdur Razak. What is random signal?
Different signal.
Come again? Arif, can you tell me
Sir,
what is random signal?
random signals. ఇప్పుడు మనం రేడియో ఆన్ చేస్తే డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ సౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి కదా.
Hmm.
దాన్ని
Okay.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోవచ్చు.
Different sounds are random signals. Huh? Okay, whatever it may be,
Yes.
whatever it may be. That means, suppose number of signals are passing through us, but only few of them is been catched by us, right? Whatever the
Yes.
signals what we need, we are going to take the signals. Other signals we are going to leave them, right?
Yes.
So here in this subject, we are going to check whether it's a signal which belongs to us or not. Okay, na? Is it okay for you? All of you?
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes,
All
sir.
of you,
Yes,
please
sir.
comment on chat box. If you are not, if you can't give a answer, please comment of chat box. Is there any problem with your? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
ఎస్ సార్, అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్.
Yes, sir.
I can't hear the remaining people.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it okay if I speak in English or I have to change my language?
No, sir, we are comfortable in English.
Very,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Nice. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this chapter, in this subject, we have 5 chapters, and this is our first chapter, which is probability, including, introduced through sets and relative frequency. What is a set? What is set?
Collection of few elements, sir.
Very good, very good. Correction of few elements, very good. Next, Inka. Some more examples. Group of instruction.
Group of elements.
Okay. Okay, very, very good, very good, very good. Okay. What is axiom? Axiom. What is axiom?
Don't know.
Okay. You can call it as
Statements.
a statement or relation, like that. Okay. So by completing the first chapter, that is experiments on sample space. What is a sample? What is sample? What is sample? I have come across this word called sample. What is the meaning of sample?
Sample means to test a element.
Test
Testing
anything.
element.
Test anything, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Get
That
some
means
samples.
Yes, sir.
if you are,
Just
if you,
anything, we need to get some samples.
can I give you one example? What we people do in our daily life. If you want to prepare some, or if you want to buy something, for example, if you want to buy a new sweet, what will you do?
We'll do some sample things, bro. We will
We'll,
taste
we'll,
that
we'll
sample
ask.
piece.
Yeah, very good,
We'll
very
eat
good.
that
What we'll
sample
do?
piece.
We'll take some a piece of that
Eat that
sweet. Yes,
sample piece.
yes, yes, yes,
When you
yes.
see it, that sample
Okay.
piece, then
So here,
what?
sample in sense samples. That means events. Okay. So
Yes.
after completion of this one, we can understand the fundamental concepts of probability, random variables, and conditional property. What is the meaning of condition? Condition. Condition. Why JTU has kept some conditions? Do you know what are the conditions you people are facing?
Rules, sir.
Come again? Can I say that? Who is that? Please mute your Arif. Please mute for him.
Sir.
Please mute your mic. Okay. So can I say that obtaining minimum 50% or 40% of your marks is a condition so that you can pass in your subject? Hello? Obtaining minimum 40 or 25 or 26 marks in your end exam is a condition. If you satisfy that condition, then only you are going to get passed, right? Is it right? Okay. So
Yes,
by
sir.
completion of your first chapter, we are going to learn what is conditional probability and how we are going to overcome the conditions and how we are going to find the probability of based on the or depending on the other values. So your second chapter is operational single random variable and multiple random variables also. Here we have some theorems like a central limit theorem, a Bayes theorem previously in first chapter, Bayes theorem and a total probability theorem. This is very much useful for you for your future also. And coming to the next one, operations of multiple random variables. Here, in the third chapter, we're going to discuss what are multiple random variables And in fourth chapter, we are going to know the operation on multiple random variables. And in fifth chapter, we are going to see the random process. Okay. Right. Please mute your voice. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Anil. Anil,
Sir.
who is your LR?
Pratyusha, sir.
Everyone?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who is this? What's your name?
Pratyusha, Sam, LR.
LR, huh? Okay, okay.
Yes,
After
sir.
after completion of this class, I'll send you the PDF document of your first through mail.
Okay,
So
sir.
please send me your mail ID to my group WhatsApp. నా కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి ఎలా
Okay, sir. Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah, there's a technical problem here. Yeah, please send me your mail ID to my message only, not in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Today I'm going to
Okay,
send
sir.
you the first unit notes for you by probably by today or tomorrow evening. Tomorrow, take the printout of that one.
Okay, sir.
Each and everyone, not only you people, each and everyone should have their printouts, so that it will be easy for you people to continue the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anil,
Okay, sir.
is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
You have to send our CS.
Come again?
Sir, you have to send our
CR.
CS, sir, that Vishnu. Vishnu is right there, sir. Vishnu.
Who is here? Vishnu is your seer, huh?
Yes,
And then
sir.
Vishnu, send me
Yes, sir.
your mail ID. Okay.
Okay, sir.
He sent all of the boys. That's why I'm.
Okay, Baba. I'm asking about CR and LR. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Send it to my mobile through message only.